Hi viewers, welcome back to Siri Algorithms YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, I am going to show you one more example with if-else conditional statements, the gender determination. So whether the person is a male or female. So please walk through with me. Let me show you the code. Please wait. So let me take one example. Name is equal to input of enter the name starts with Mr. or Mrs. So user going to enter the name. If name starts with Mr. starts with Mr. print of the person is a male. Else print of the person is female. So let me execute. So Mr. Charan, you can see the person is a male. So what I am asking here, I am collecting the information from the end user. End user is going to enter the name starts with the Mr. or Mrs. Then condition check here. It is going to check the condition. I am using the string method starts with. If the name is starting with Mr., then the person is a male. If the condition is true, then the print statement, the if block get executed. If the condition is false, else block get executed. Let me show you. Mrs. Ramadevi. You can see the person is a female. Let's check. Mr. David. The person is male. Mrs. Uma Mahesh. You can see the person is female. So first it will check the condition. If condition is true, if block get executed. If condition is false, else block get executed. So in next video, I am going to show you how to write a more than one condition using elif statement. So thank you. See you in next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.